tube. No pressure in it, but a little bit of air. Tire with no tube in it. Put your tire on the rim. Just one side. Leaving it open. Take the valve of your tube, find the valve on your rim, pull the tire back. The valve in there. Make sure you don't fold the tube, make sure it's nice and straight, and start putting it into the tire. Don't twist it, don't fold it. Make sure it lays in there nice and gentle. If you end up with a little extra, just try to work it into the rim, into the tire, and the excess will eventually sit in there. Starting away from the valve, put the tire over the edge of the rim. Do a little bit on each side. Always end at the valve. When it starts to get tight here, make sure you don't have the tube sitting in between the tire and the rim. And then instead of reaching for a tire lever, just pull, keep the tension, and push the tire away from the edge of the rim. That'll give you the slack for the tire to pop right over. Immediately push the valve up in there, make sure it's not caught, and inflate it.
Boom!